Welcome back to Auto Show, the place where we explore the latest motorcycles and innovations from around the world. Today, we're diving into the highly anticipated 2026 Yamaha XT660 Ténéré, a machine designed to blend off-road ruggedness with long-distance touring comfort. Engine and performance. The 2026 XT660 Ténéré sticks to its single-cylinder heritage with a 660 cubic centimeters thumper engine, optimized for torque and reliability. Riders will appreciate its strong low-end power and fuel efficiency, especially on rugged trails and long rides. On the flip side, some may find the single-cylinder vibrations less refined compared to multi-cylinder rivals in the same adventure segment. Design and ergonomics. Yamaha has given the XT660 Ténéré a modernized adventure silhouette, sleek fairings, tall stance, and updated LED lighting. The ergonomics remain rider-friendly with upright seating, wide handlebars, and an adjustable windscreen. However, while it's functional and built for endurance, the design may feel less aggressive or flashy compared to other adventure bikes released in 2026. Technology and features. The bike includes a TFT display with smartphone connectivity, improved ABS with off-road modes, and Yamaha's traction control system. These updates bring the XT660 closer to modern standards. Still, some enthusiasts may see the tech as minimalist compared to premium adventure bikes, which now offer radar-based safety systems and adaptive suspension. Pros and cons summary. Pros: proven 660 cubic centimeters engine, adventure-ready build, fuel-efficient, reliable, comfortable ergonomics, and updated tech. Cons: vibrations from the single cylinder, simpler features than high-end rivals, and styling that may not appeal to riders looking for a more aggressive look. Outro. The 2026 Yamaha XT660 Ténéré is a reminder that sometimes, less is more, a dependable, go-anywhere machine built with Yamaha's reputation for toughness. If you value reliability and off-road confidence over high-end bells and whistles, this bike could be your perfect match. This is Auto Show, and we'll be back with more rides, reviews, and insights from the world of motorcycles. Stay tuned.